Folic acid, also known as folate or vitamin B9, is a water-soluble complex vitamin found in liver, kidney, and green leafy vegetables. It is also an important cofactor in the process of DNA and RNA formation. Also, purines and pyrimidines, which are important part of DNA and RNA synthesis, is done by folic acid before it becomes a part of it. This important component is also required during especially phases like rapid cell division, pregnancy, infancy, erythropoiesis, and a protective factor during the development of cancer. This most important body component is not produced unfortunately by the human body, so it has to be taken by dietetic means or supplements. Most importantly, it is required by a pregnant woman for the development of the spinal cord and the neural tube. According to a survey given by Open Family Study Journal, consumption of folic acid tablets during pregnancy improved the development of the fetus by about 75%. Folic acid is also used in treating depression, stroke, and memory issues. Since folic acid is required for the production of RBCs, DNA, blood loss, pregnancy, it is mainly required for menstruating and pregnant women. Folic acid is necessary for cell development, for the metabolism of specific biochemical reactions in the body, such as conversion of homocysteine to methionine, and for the metabolism of specific anticonvulsant drugs. Folic acid has an interrelationship with vitamin B12. A deficiency of folate increases the risk of NTDs as well as contributing to hyperhomocysteinemia. Women in childbearing years should be on folic acid supplement while taking an anticonvulsant drug. In general, it appears that all men and women would definitely benefit from increased folate intake. This can be accomplished through vitamin supplementation when there is compliance. If less consumption of folate is found in the human body, then the blood levels of folate decrease and hence folic acid level decreases, which then further hampers the production of DNA, RBCs, rapid cell divisions in case of any fatal blood loss or pregnancy. Symptoms include poor immune function, frequently getting sick, chronic low energy, poor digestion, developmental problems during pregnancy and infancy, anemia, canker sores, pale skin, etc. Treatment is easy and by taking a tablet of folate each day. You need to take this until the anemia is corrected and the folate stores in the body are built up. You may also need advice on diet to stay well, and the tablets can be stopped if your diet improves. You may need to continue with the treatment if the poor diet was not the cause of folic acid deficiency. For example, if you have sickle cell disease, you may need to take a folate each day indefinitely. Precautions: folic acid 300 to 400 mcg daily is recommended during pregnancy to prevent certain birth defects. The maximum recommended amount of folic acid during pregnancy or breastfeeding is 800 mcg daily for those under 18 years of age and 1000 mcg daily for those over 18 years of age. Do not use more unless directed by a healthcare professional. Another form of folic acid, L5-methyl tetrahydrofluorate, can also be found in supplements, which is possibly safe to take at a dose up to 400 mcg daily while pregnant or breastfeeding. It is likely safe for children to take folic acid by mouth in the recommended amounts for their age. But children especially should avoid taking folic acid in doses that are higher than the daily upper limits. Also, using folic acid during the procedures like angioplasty might worsen the narrowed arteries. Early research also suggests that taking 0.8 to 1 mg of folic acid daily might increase the risk of cancer. Until more is known, the people with a history of cancer should avoid high doses of folic acid. Taking folic acid supplements, especially in high doses with people having seizures, might worsen them. Folic acid is an important nutrient. The amount that should be consumed on a daily basis is called as the recommended dietary allowance. The RDA for folic acid is provided as dietary folate equivalents. This is because the body absorbs the folic acid in supplements better than the folate found in food. The RDA in adults is 400 mcg/df daily. In pregnancy, the RDA is 600 mcg daily. When breastfeeding, the RDA is 500 mcg daily. In children, it depends on age. Speak with a healthcare provider to find out what dose might be best for a specific condition.